Fundraising strategies can incorporate multiple different sources of funding for your business. So raising venture capital, raising from angels, raising from friends and family isn't the sole source of funding for a business. There are other forms of capital that form part of your capital stack. One of those is, for example, revenue, money that customers pay you in exchange for the product or service that your business is providing. But you've also got other facilities there. So for example, you've often got debt. So if your business is making reasonable revenues, it's a reliable income stream, there might be private finance providers out there that are willing to essentially lend capital in exchange for a guaranteed income stream off the back of the revenues that your business is making. You've also got grants, and grants are often awarded by public or public affiliated bodies, often with the desire to solve particular challenges. For example, to do with sustainable energy and the transition to a cleaner grid. Or, for example, around particular pharmaceutical problems. There are often grants that can be awarded there, and that can give you non-diluting capital, but often with some stringent reporting conditions attached to it. You've got other types of funding too, so you've got more exotic types of funding. Again, it's a debt type of product like venture debt. You've got venture capital where you're directly selling equity in exchange for capital. And I think these are some of the major types of funding sources that businesses have available. There are others as well that potentially might be available to some founders, but not to others. Some founders and companies will directly lend from their own resources to the business in order to help make ends meet or get through a wobbly month or two. And you can also sometimes, depending on friends and family, that can also act as a facility. But again, it does depend on the circumstances that you're in and those around you are in. So yeah, these are just some of the types of different funding solutions that might be available that helps to sort of smooth out those horrible kinks and sort of ups and downs that you might have as a founder of a business.